Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best liquid weld is probably one of the most versatile and strongest adhesives on the market, perfect for various applications from fixing broken ceramics to crafting intricate jewelry, and even tackling more demanding industrial projects. In this video, we will explore its incredible bonding capabilities, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right adhesive for your needs. Number 5. Weld SteelStik. It's a hand-mixable, 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's steel-reinforced and won't rust, making repairs quick and easy. After you knead it together, it sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in an hour. The cured color is a dark gray. It boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit continuously, and even higher temperatures intermittently. Plus, it's chemical resistant. It's incredibly versatile. You can mold, shape, sand, drill, and even tap it once it's cured. It works on various materials including iron, steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, fiberglass, plastics, and PVC. It's also NSF certified for potable water contact. With its strength, versatility, and fast cure time, it's the ultimate solution for all your metal repair needs. Get yours today. What we like. It's steel reinforced for superior strength and durability. It sets in just 5 minutes, perfect for quick fixes. If you need a strong, fast-setting repair that's easy to use, this is the one for you. What people say. This product works just as described and is amazing. I used it, according to the instructions, to repair very rusty outdoor patio furniture. 6 chairs and a table went from being ready to break to ready to be used for many years. It works very quickly and is as hard as steel. It adheres like the strongest glue. Use this to repair steel tube picnic frame. It's amazing. Very easy to apply, file and sand. Very strong bond. Have used the steel sticks mostly for extending the life of old auto exhaust systems. It plugs up decent-sized holes and can act as a method of fusing 2 exhaust pipes back together when a break occurs. No exhaust repair lasts forever except maybe if you have a welder, but these steel sticks have extended the life of many an exhaust system. Number 4. Weld KwikWeld Epoxy. This is Weld KwikWeld, the fast-setting epoxy perfect for quick repairs around the house, in your car, or on your boat. It's strong, durable, and sets quickly. It only takes 6 minutes to set after mixing. You can then tap, fill, sand, mold, and drill it after it cures. Get your repairs done faster than ever before. It's steel reinforced for incredible strength and durability. It can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit and has a tensile strength of 3,127 psi. It works on metal, plastic, wood, concrete, and so much more. It's the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. Once fully cured, it's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids. It's a truly dependable solution for long-lasting repairs. Simply mix the 2 parts in a 1-to-1 ratio and apply to the damaged area. It's that easy. What we like. This one boasts a rapid setting time, getting the job done quickly. Its high tensile strength ensures a lasting bond. If you're looking for speed and reliability across various materials, this is your best bet. What people say. Easy to mix, easy to apply. Fast cure. Mixes easy, dries quickly, and holds strong, but not as strong as the regular slow-cure Weld. For best results, be sure that surfaces are clean and dry, and if they are glossy smooth, rough it up a bit with sandpaper or emery cloth for better adhesion. If you mix this product properly, it adheres to most surfaces, listed on package, sets up with minimal runoff and can be drilled or sanded in around 12 hours, what worked for me. Number 3. Weld 8281 Epoxy. This is the professional-grade, steel-reinforced epoxy that provides a bond stronger than steel. It's perfect for a wide range of repairs, from household projects to automotive fixes. It's designed as a superior alternative to welding. It creates a lasting bond on multiple surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. Simply mix the 2 parts in a 1-to-1 ratio. It sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 to 24 hours, ready for sanding, drilling, or any finishing touches. It works on metal, plastic, wood, concrete, ceramic, and more. It's the ultimate solution for all your DIY repair needs. It boasts a tensile strength of 5020 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cured, it's waterproof and resistant to many chemicals. Whether it's a small crack or a major repair, you can tackle it with confidence. Get superior results with this heavy-duty epoxy. What we like. It provides the strongest bond among these options, exceeding expectations. Its professional-grade formula is ideal for demanding projects. If you need the ultimate strength and durability for a long-lasting repair, choose this one. What people say. Sets up quickly and cures overnight. Smells during mixing and application, but it will bond whatever it touches. Not for use on items subjected to high heat. Works excellent on plastics and most metals. This product works well on ceramic, metallic, and other mixed media surfaces and is handled on heavy duty. It is easy to use, and you can take time to use it in the right spots. I like that it is a slow set which allows me to do a complicated repair, and because it is slow, the results are very strong. Sticks to most everything, not polyethylene of course. It is easy to mix whether by weight or volume, both are 1:1. This steel-filled epoxy is really tough. Number 2. JB Weld Wood Restore. This amazing liquid hardener quickly seals and reinforces decayed wood, preparing it for repair. It's the perfect solution for restoring damaged wood surfaces. Builders and repair experts trust this product's strong bond on various surfaces, even in tough conditions. It's the go-to choice for reliable wood restoration. Its unique formula penetrates wood, reinforcing fibers to prevent further decay. This creates a solid base, ready for filler application, with an easy brush-on formula. It's ideal for various projects, from door frames and window sills to antique furniture and fences. It's the dependable solution for all your wood repair needs. Whether it's a small repair or a large-scale project, it delivers legendary performance. It's the ultimate solution for restoring wood to its former glory. It effectively seals rotted wood surfaces, preventing further damage. It dries quickly, making it efficient and easy to use. What we like. It effectively seals and reinforces decayed wood, preventing further damage. Its quick-drying formula speeds up the repair process. If you're tackling a wood repair project, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This product penetrated the compromised wood quite deep down and solidified it. The next day I was able to putty the cracks and low spots, and the putty stayed in place tightly. When using an electric dual-action sander, the putty did not loosen at all. After painting you couldn't tell they were ever damaged. It hardened the remaining wood beyond belief. I then filled the hole with Bondo filler that has glass fibers in it. After sanding down, you can't even see the area where the rot was. This liquid wood restorer prepares rotted wood to accept JB Weld's repair putty. When used together, the rotted wood is brought back to useful life. The putty can then be sanded and painted to match the existing wood. Much better than any wood filler I've ever used. I've been working with wood for almost 3 decades and, in my opinion, JB Weld Wood Restorer products are the best in the industry. Number 1. JB Weld ClearWeld Epoxy. This is JB Weld ClearWeld, a revolutionary clear epoxy that sets quickly and provides a strong, lasting bond. It's perfect for a variety of surfaces and projects. The unique syringe design makes mixing easy with a 1:1 ratio. The resealable cap prevents drying out, so you can use it multiple times. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in an hour. You'll get a strong, clear bond quickly. With a tensile strength of 3,900 psi, it's incredibly strong and durable. It's ideal for heavy-duty repairs. It bonds to a wide variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, wood, ceramic, and more. It's the perfect solution for many DIY projects. Whether it's a big project or a small repair, it makes DIY easy and effective. Get superior results with the world's strongest bond. What we like. It offers a crystal clear finish, ideal for discreet repairs. It sets quickly, minimizing downtime. If you need a strong, invisible bond for various surfaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I've used JB Weld's ClearWeld for years, and it's never failed me. I've yet to find anything I could not fix with it. I've repaired and glued together ceramics, plastics, wood panels, metal brackets, rubber, cloth and fibrous materials. I've also attached many of those items to one another with ClearWeld. It did a nice job. We opened the gap a bit and coated both sides of the break. Then relaxed what was holding the two parts separate, and it forced epoxy out both sides. We carefully removed the excess epoxy, and let it harden. Didn't disturb until the next day. You can still see the break location, but the repair appears to be holding well. I recently used this product to set steel rods into newel posts for an interior railing. I needed something that would set very strong given the safety implications of my project, and JB Weld fit the bill perfectly. Adhesion strength, I glued steel into wood and steel into MDF, and both bonds are holding extremely strong. Clarity, dries very clear, no issues whatsoever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.